Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look. But before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And now without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. For eye primer, I'm gonna be using this Illegal Pro Concealer. Sorry, not this one. This one. Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And I'm going to blend it with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using this Spotlight eyeshadow palette by You Can Be. I'm going to use this beautiful shade. Wow. This is amazing color, right? It's a very beautiful violet shade. Applying this shade on my lid, all over my lid in a dragging motion. Now I'm going to take beautiful dark purple, matte purple shade. Okay, now I'm switching to this fluffy brush by Morphe and I'm going to use this shade. This is a lilac kind of a shade. I'm taking a little bit amount of this and I'm going to blend with the dark purple shade. This eyeshadow is so easy to blend. Now I'm going to use this Kajal by Plum. Now with this brush, I'm going to use this dark purple shade again. I'm going to use that dark purple shade on my lower lash line. So I'm using this shade till here, like I'm leaving that inner third portion of my lower lash line. With the help of a pencil brush, I'm going to use this. This is a lilac metallic shade. I'm going to use that on my inner corner and also on my inner third. I'm loving this purple smoky effect on my eyelids. Now it's time to highlight my eyebrow bone. So I'm taking this Sivanna Colors Bronzer palette and I'm taking this shade to highlight my eyebrow bone. So the eye look is done. Now quickly I'm going to put on some lashes and gonna put my lipstick and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. This is a very attractive lavender smoky eye look. You guys please let me know, do you like this look or not, in the comment section below. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch this also. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.